Yari, this is KermitVXR, my daily driver. And we're going to look at doing a mid-silencer delete on the cheap. Because I'm cheap. Light is hot. I should have jacked the car up a bit more really, but I haven't. Go over there. This light is burning me. Ow. Yeah, I'm probably getting burnt off this light. I have to move it. Actually, yeah, I can smell my flesh singeing. I can feel it singeing, I might smell it. Oh. Too long. I think that's just rounding. Not looking forward to getting this off. But I've already cut it. So that's fun. for that. So I'm just making sure the exhaust paste is covering the slotted gaps in the exhaust section, the new exhaust section. Just to ensure there's no leaks. With this being a female fitting that's sitting on top of the rear pipe, so there's always a chance that the exhaust gas is going to try and force past that and come out here. So I am going to run like a bead of paste around everything, and I'm going to have to be quick because that light is really hot and it's actually setting the exhaust paste on this rear section. In all fairness, I'm fairly confident that the amount that I put on that's now being like forced back is probably enough to cover it. I'm just being cautious, which is a rarity for me, because this is the daily driver. I don't want to get pulled over again. Less said about that one the better though. You want them nice and tight to nip it down onto the exhaust. Right, let's test her out. Well, it is another day here in the UK and it is absolutely peeing it down and it's windy as out, but I figured we'd try and get some in-car noise I've been living with the exhaust as it is for about a week, and I'm really enjoying it. It's not too loud in the car, as you can tell. The engine's running and it's not, you know, overly noisy with the mid-res delete. You know, with it being a daily driver, I don't want it to be too obnoxious, and living on an estate and everything, you know, I don't want to be that guy. So, you know, it's not noisy, it's not bad. So I'll take it for a spin. I'll see if I can get some pops and bangs for you, because it is doing it quite often now, which is nice. So let's see what she sounds like. Hopefully the mic will pick some stuff up. In the road. Obviously, why wouldn't it be? Jesus. Literally been doing it non-stop this week. The second I put the camera in the car, I won't do it. So there you go, folks. That's the exhaust noise. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you want to hear more of it, I'll do some sound clips in Works car park, because it echoes around nice, but just let us know in the comments if you want to hear that. Other than that, hit like, subscribe please. It does help apparently. That's it. Catch you next time. See ya.